And what we know, there is no doubting the fact that LK Advani is our tallest leader. That is what he had said. Haven't heard what Nitish has said, but the chief ministers shouldn't comment on others. He was, of course, reacting to the speech that was made by Nitish Kumar, where he took multiple digs at Narendra Modi. He also said, I'm in no competition with Narendra Modi, and also added that I have no desire to be the Prime Minister. And speaking of his own model of development, he actually spoke about the way forward in terms of helping the weakest link, not capitalists as well. Gujarat, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh can't have the same development models. Remember yesterday, much analysis really being done on Modi versus Nitish and their development platforms.
आपकी पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी है सबसे पहले राष्ट्र, उसके बाद पार्टी और फिर अंतिम में खुद। आपको नहीं लगता कि नरेंद्र मोदी की जो बातें हैं वो दरअसल भारतीय जनता पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी के एकदम खिलाफ है सर?
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस मामले में बहुत भाग्यशाली है कि हमारे पास बहुत अनुभवी नेतृत्व है।
जैसे
मैं ये मानता हूं अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी और लाल कृष्ण आडवाणी जी, इनके प्रति हमारी अनन्य भक्ति है। ये इस पार्टी को खड़ा करने वाले राजनेता। डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय के बाद पार्टी की बागडोर इस जोड़ी ने संभाली।
क्या आज की तारीख में भी सर लाल कृष्ण आडवाणी सबसे बड़े नेता हैं बीजेपी के?
मैं केवल एक बात कहना चाहता हूं, इसके बाद आप सेकंड लाइन भी आप देखें तो हमारे पास राजनाथ सिंह जी हैं, बड़े भाई जैसे हैं मेरे, और सचमुच में संगठन क्षमता के धनी भी है और एक बहुत अच्छे व्यक्तित्व के मालिक है। और सुषमा जी हैं, अरुण जेटली जी हैं, डॉक्टर मुरली मनोहर जोशी जैसे उद्भट विद्वान भी है। सुषमा जी जब लोकसभा में बोलती तो सारा देश ध्यान से सुनता। अरुण जी के तर्कों के सामने सब नतमस्तक हो जाते हैं। वेंकैया जी, अरुण और अनंत कुमार जी भी हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी भी हैं, और बाकी भी राज्यों में डॉक्टर रमन सिंह जी भी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। ऐसा नहीं कहा जा सकता कि नहीं कर रहे।
आप अपने आप को नहीं इंक्लूड करें आप इस लिस्ट में?
मैं तो ये मानता हूं कि मेरी सीमाएं मध्य प्रदेश है। सचमुच में मैं मध्य प्रदेश के बाहर ना तो सोचता ना देखता।
अगर आपसे पूछा जाए शिवराज जी किसको प्रधानमंत्री पद का दावेदार होना चाहिए, आप किसका नाम लेंगे?
मेरी व्यक्तिगत कोई अलग राय नहीं है, और अगर राय होगी तो मैं व्यक्त करूंगा पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के सामने जब पूछा जाएगा, क्योंकि हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी को नुकसान पहुंचाने का काम कतई नहीं कर सकते। अगर अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग व्यक्तियों का नाम लेंगे तो इससे पार्टी का आंदोलन कमजोर होगा।
आपको लगता है ये जो हो रहा है इससे नुकसान होगा पार्टी को?
धीरे धीरे पार्टी कमजोर होगी और कुछ लोग मजाक का विषय बना देंगे।
आपको लगता है कि ये सब डिबेट जो चलता है सर, क्या इससे पार्टी को नुकसान होता है?
राष्ट्रीय बिल्कुल होता है। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने बिल्कुल ये ठीक कहा है कि उचित स्थान पर अपनी बात कहें, और पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड या राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के सामने अपनी बात कहनी चाहिए। और इसलिए मैं मानता हूं कि मीडिया के माध्यम से, जब मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता हूं, मुख्यमंत्री हूं, तो मुझे यह अधिकार नहीं कि मैं अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी कह दूं। जब मैं एक पार्टी का हिस्सा हूं, एक विचार का हिस्सा हूं, तो मैं अलग अलग बात नहीं कर सकता। जहां कहूंगा उचित प्लेटफॉर्म पर कहूंगा।
That exclusive interview being brought by our National Bureau Chief Bhupendra Chaubey, who's joining us from Bhopal right now. When first we heard Yashwant Sinha, of course. After that, we've just seen your interview with Shivraj Singh Chauhan. All of this very significant the day after Nitish Kumar's speech. So does it seem really that LK Advani perhaps would be that consensus candidate in a way?
What's now becoming quite clear is that there is a big section of the BJP, an influential section of the BJP, which is now beginning to make its moves against Mr. Modi. The fact that Yashwant Sinha, who just a few weeks back was openly talking about Narendra Modi being the best person to be the Prime Ministerial candidate from the BJP side, is now speaking in favor of LK Advani. The fact that Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who much like Narendra Modi is also looked at as a development-oriented Chief Minister of the BJP, is also going on record making it very clear that LK Advani, other than Mr. Vajpayee, is the tallest leader of the BJP. It does show that within the BJP an attempt is being made to convert what was effectively becoming a one-man show around Mr. Modi into a two-man war, where Mr. Advani ends up becoming the second pole. The question is that at this point of time, it's just a very minute section, a powerful section but a minute section. How will the BJP Parliamentary Board react? How will the BJP workers react? Should this proposal become official, that it should not be Narendra Modi but LK Advani who should be the Prime Ministerial candidate, much like 2009, in 2013 or 2014 as well?
Right, Bhupen, much was said about how Shivraj Singh Chauhan was possibly sidelined. He's as successful a BJP Chief Minister as Narendra Modi. He's got 3 terms, where it was Modi who was elevated at the centre. Did he say anything about it? Of course, he told you that he is not in competition with Narendra Modi when it comes to the race for Prime Minister.
Well, in that candid interview which I've just done with Shivraj Singh Chauhan, I had specifically asked him if he was asked to cast his vote in terms of who should be the prime ministerial candidate from the BJP, should it be Narendra Modi or should it be LK Advani, while he was not committing himself to a choice between the two, he did make it absolutely clear that it was LK Advani who was the tallest leader of the BJP, it was LK Advani who had established the BJP along with Mr. Vajpayee, which pretty much implied that he was casting his support for LK Advani. The other important point that he also made was in terms of these growth models. Since a lot is being talked about between a Nitish Kumar and a Narendra Modi in terms of what is the ideal growth model for India, Shivraj Singh Chauhan was of the view that what is good for Gujarat may not necessarily be applicable for Madhya Pradesh, and what is good for Bihar may not be applicable in Gujarat. Effectively, he was saying that chief ministers who do well in their own states should not be taking pot shots at other chief ministers who are doing equally well. So he was taking on Nitish Kumar also. But one thing which stands out between a Narendra Modi and a Shivraj Singh Chauhan is Shivraj Singh Chauhan has mastered the art of underplaying his achievements, whereas Narendra Modi has mastered the art of overplaying his achievements. This is what the power play now is going to look like within the BJP in future, where you'll have someone like Shivraj Singh Chauhan who is in the 8th year of his chief ministership, who constantly talks about growth but still manages to put a lid over his ambitions, and you have a Narendra Modi who also talks about growth but likes to project himself as a person who has all the answers to India's economic chaos.
Interesting. We're waiting to see which tactic works finally in the BJP. Bhupen, thanks very much for bringing us that first such interview with Shivraj Singh Chauhan on all the issues that his party is dealing with, even as the BJP is giving a strong answer to the JDU. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, of course, giving that ultimatum yesterday against Narendra Modi as the NDA's prime ministerial candidate. This is the BJP's response.
The BJP